Man, look what I done picked up. Finally. After all this time, I finally got it. Finally got it. This is my first one, too, to be exact. I've been playing with it, you know what I'm saying? This joint came with the little back pieces. Looked like it came me, what, a speed loader, 2 shells, plus I got another joint. You know what I'm saying? I'm talking about 2 shells, 2 clips, plus a third clip. And they all, what, 13 and 1? All of them. Glock 23 Gen 5. Yeah, buddy. You see it. Glock 23 Gen 5. I'm also hearing that these motherfuckers hard to find. Shout out to Kentucky Gun Company.